Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fanduel suspended account how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to understand why your Fanduel account has been suspended or locked. So Fanduel accounts may end up being locked for a variety of reasons. Now you need to understand these locks could be because of an account suspension, a pause, self-exclusion, verification issues, a fraud, or etc. Now in order to unlock, what you need to do is during account creation and sign up, Fanduel makes sure your account is protected and no one is trying to use your identity for fraud. So password, your account may have been locked because of too many failed attempts at setting or resetting your password. Now number 2 is verification. Multiple failures in the verification process can lock the account. It could be an address issue or a problem because of recent move. Number 3 is reactivation or suspension. If your account was closed, suspended, or you opted into self-exclusion, your support team will need to help you personally. So it's an extra step, but that's what you need to do to keep your information safe and make sure that no one else is using your account. And that's basically how you can recover a suspended Fanduel account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.